Hello friends, this video on acid and base part 2 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1. The common acids which we know as acetic acid, it's also called vinegar, acetylsalicylic acid which is called aspirin, ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C, carbonic acid that is used in soft drinks, citric acid used in fruits, hydrochloric acid, the one in the stomach I told, stomach has the acid, nitric acid is used in fertilizers and explosives, and sulfuric acid. So if you see, these are the common acids which we use maybe in our day-to-day life or in chemistry fictions also. So you should know all this acid. The reason I took the slide was that you should be aware of these acids, that you should know that H2SO4 is sulfuric acid, HNO3 is nitric acid, HCl is hydrochloric acid, citric acid is C6H8O7, or carbonic acid is H2CO3. All these things you should know, right? If you don't, please remember these. In chemistry, you have a option to clearly understand things, but certain things like the compounds, the elements, the acids, you have to remember. So please try to learn these names. It will help a lot. So we have acids now, right? Acid is something which can donate H plus ion, right? Which can donate H plus ion. You can donate this H ion. So we also categorize types of acids based on the origin. We define as organic acids and mineral acids. So we have two different types based on origin. So organic acids are something which is derived from living organisms like plants, animals. They are called organic acids, and they are generally weak acids and not harmful. They are generally weak acids. For example, from lemon we get citric acid, right? In fruits also we get acetic acid in vinegar. Oxalic acid we get from tomato. Tartaric acid is called tamarind. Lactic acid is you get from milk and curd. So these are the acids which you get from natural things, and they are weak and they are not harmful, right? For example, citric acid. Please remember this term: citric acid from fruits, acetic acid from vinegar, oxalic acid from tomato, tartaric acid from tamarind, lactic acid from milk and all, sour milk acid. So these are the organic acids, weak and not harmful. There's something called mineral acid. So which are not organic, we don't get from plants and animals, they are dangerous and explosives, right? You generally get from nature, but example, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid. These are the acids which are from minerals, and they are very, very harmful. Let's discuss types of acids based on the strength. So based on strength, we have strong acid and weak acids. Strong acids are those acids which completely dissociate into ions in aqueous solution. Completely dissociate. Weak acids do not completely dissociate into ions in the aqueous solution. So strong acids are, for example, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, and hydrochloric acid. These are all strong acids. The weak acids are carbonic acid and acetic acid. These are all weak acids. So I have strong acids and I have weak acids. So based on the concentration, I have dilute acid and concentrated acid. So when I say based on concentration, that means how much is the percentage of acid in the aqueous solution. You see dilute, it has a low concentration of acid in the aqueous solution. There is a concentration that it is high concentration of acid in the aqueous solution. So please note, if it is concentrated, it will react more. With this dilute, it will react less. More reaction. For the same acid, for example, if you are looking for hydrochloric acid, if it is concentrated, it will react more, it will be more powerful. If it is dilute, it is a mild version of hydrochloric acid, you can see. It will react less. So more dilute, lesser is the reaction power. So that's how it is. And we can also classify acid on the basis of state. So we have solid acids also, for example, sulfanic acid. We have liquid also, for example, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. And we have gas acid also, for example, H2S and CO. Carbon dioxide is considered to be acid. It's acidic in nature. And H2S. Here we have to note that HCl is a gas actually. Hydrogen chloride is a gas, right? But hydrochloric acid, both are different actually. Hydrogen chloride and hydrochloric acid is different. Hydrochloric acid, when we talk hydrochloric acid, is formed when we dissolve this guy HCl, that is gas, in water. Correct? So if you see this reaction, you have this guy gas, you have this water, you react, you get this H3O plus Cl minus. This is the reaction that happens, and we generally call HCl as hydrochloric acid, but HCl is nothing but hydrogen chloride and it is a gas. To make hydrochloric acid, what we do is we pass this gas with water, and through water, and we get hydrochloric acid. Correct? So hydrochloric acid is liquid, but hydrogen chloride is gas, and hydrochloric acid is formed using hydrogen chloride. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.